Hey, I am here at 2340 East Steeplechase. You have got to check this house out. It's amazing. We're in Libertyville. I'll be here until 2 p.m. Check out what you could come home to. Hello, look at this. Beautiful pool, spa, gorgeous brick pavers throughout, easy summer entertaining, and what a beautiful home. Let me show you a little bit about that too. So we're entering this home with this beautiful door with the side lights. It's gorgeous. There is a huge staircase. I'm going to flip this around and show you guys around. You come into this absolutely stunning, beautiful staircase along with a formal dining room, quite large, to the right. Everything here is updated and ready to move in. It's absolutely gorgeous. You have beautiful hardwood floors throughout. They're using it as a piano space, a little relaxation space. Very large room for relaxing and hanging out. If we continue through the home this way, this beautiful fireplace with the arch, solid brick, gorgeous side light windows, and look at the enormous amount of space for entertaining in this living room. You've got sliders out to the back pool area that you had just seen. We have a wet bar here, absolutely gorgeous. And check out this kitchen. Completely updated, gorgeous cabinetry, two tones. There's more to see. Come check it out. 4-bedroom, finished basement with another wet bar and lots of space for family and friends. Come out and see me.